Lately I've been feeling crazy, so I ain't been answering calls. I just been getting the money and saving and keeping my back on.
So what is up, everybody? I'm going to make this short and sweet, but I wanted to come to you guys with my hair all done. It is 3 days after I did my first ever co-wash. I twisted my hair back up, and today I will be coming to you to tell you the products that I use and how I feel about those products. And in this video, I will be reviewing 2 products that are from Madam C.J. Walker, and I am really excited to be doing this because it's for the culture. You know what I'm saying? Will we be without Madam C.J. Walker? Think about it, for real. Us natural girls, us curly girls, us permed girls, all that. You know what I'm saying? Will we be? Let you see the clips of when I was actually doing my hair and how I felt about it and my first impressions. So I'm gonna let that go ahead. What is up, everybody? It is your girl B Octavia, and as I was talking about before, I am about to co-wash my hair. I am going to be reviewing the Madam C.J. Walker Ultra Moisturizing Co-Wash. This is my first time co-washing my hair, as well as my first time using Madam C.J. Walker products. So I'm going to wet my hair and get started. I'm going to come back when it's fully wet and talk to you guys about my pattern, my texture, and all of that. So I will be right. Okay, so it says apply generously to wet hair and massage and gently massage, and if needed use a wide tooth comb to detangle starting from the ends. Rinse with cool water. So I have my wide tooth comb. I got this from Shop Miss A. It was $1, just like just about everything else on the site. So and I will have the link below to this comb here. It works wonders, and I am going to get started. So now I am, hold on, it's a hair on my lip. Got it. So now I am going to put on this turban that is microfiber. After it is slightly dry, I will apply leave-in conditioner, and I will come back in the next clip with my hair already done, talking about the leave-in that I use, which is also Madam C.J. Walker. So stay tuned for that. I will be back. You'll see me. So now that I have done the co-wash and I have used their frizz fighting curl whip styling souffle, I can come with a pretty informative review. So first I want to start off with the co-wash. As I said before, when I was working it in, it felt really good. It smelled really good. It still does. It just smells really refreshing, like when you at the laundromat, or like you just washed all your clothes and they on your bed and you just like smell them, you know? From the co-wash, I can tell that it gave my hair like moisture, like a little bit closer so y'all can see all up in my head. This is my hair after I twisted it. It's super bouncy, and I think that's due to the curl whip styling souffle, and it looks like this. And how cute is this packaging, y'all? Like, this is the co-wash and this is the styling souffle. For the co-wash, It smelled really good. It made my hair feel really good. And I have a couple of pictures. Well, y'all can tell from my last video, which was my favorite rappers of 2018. That was my hair freshly taken out of the twist. And you can see it's like a little dry. And it's like large and frizzy and all that. And I have no frizz right now. And like I said, it's like 3 days after I did that. So, I mean, my hair still looks good. Like by this time, if I was using just the cholesterol as my leave-in conditioner, I feel like it wouldn't still look like this. I really like these products because I feel like it doesn't weigh my hair down. It just, my hair soaks it up and it just leaves it moisturized, and it still has some length on it, so it's not extra like shrinkage. I haven't been scratching my hair at all, and it's days later from when I initially did it, and usually that happens. So I really like that. I really like that. And I also have some pictures in here, you know, periodically, of what my hair looked like before and what it looked like after. I also want to note that my hair is, it's kind of weird. Like, my hair itches not so much because of dirt, it being dirty. My hair itches more so because it's not as moisturized as it should be. So I feel like it's moisturized. Like, it got body. It's moving when I'm moving. You know what I'm saying? My hair is so soft right now. I want y'all to get a little close. If I was to take these out and just have my hair out, I feel like it still wouldn't be frizzy. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, Madam CJ Walker can get all my coin. Like, this right here is so cute. Love the Cowash. Would definitely recommend the Cowash if your hair is, you know, not very manageable under certain circumstances. You know, I feel like it's really good for that. And onto the frizz fighting and coconut and moringa oils curl whip styling conditioner, which look like this. It's like butter. It doesn't make your hair stiff like gel does, which I had stopped doing a little while ago. It helped me detangle. It helped me get out some dead hair. It really made my hair a lot softer. Another good product that I've been using this month as well as last month is this Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil, and it smells really good. I talked about it I got it from Influencer, and I talked about it in the video where I unboxed everything and gave a little brief review. So, I need to get some more of that because I only got like a corner left. But, yeah. Let's see. So, to recap, this was better than using a gel and, you know, like a combo. This is basically all you need, especially for a twist out. But I'm not going to unravel my hair until I'm ready to wash it again. That's my rule to myself. Just for low manipulation. Winter is coming, fall is here, and I just don't want to do too much to it. I love these products. I suggest y'all go pick these up. Got these from Sephora, and they were on sale. They might still be, so I suggest that you go out and you get Madam CJ Walker products and, you know, do it for the culture. My hair loves this stuff. I'm going to get out of here, and I will see y'all in my next video, which will be Real Talk Tuesday. Thank you for listening to my review. I hope that you subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'm out.
Straight to the money, no stop. I'ma go straight to the start. For y'all of my niggas saying them